In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for task management. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone looking to streamline your tasks more effectively, Trello offers a versatile platform to keep you organized. Let's dive in and explore how you can get the most out of Trello. First, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello's website. Trello is a web-based application, which means you can access it from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. This flexibility makes it a fantastic tool for keeping on top of tasks, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Once you're at Trello's homepage, you'll notice in the top right corner the option to log in. Click on Login, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't yet have a Trello account, there's an option to sign up as well. Just follow the straightforward steps to create your account. For those who already have an account, enter your email and password, and you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, you're in Trello's workspace, the central hub where all the magic happens. Here you can see your boards, which are essentially visual task lists. But today we're going to explore the template section. So navigate to the left side of your screen and look for an option labeled templates. Click on it and this will open a whole new world of ready-made boards for you to use. Once you're in the templates section, you'll see various categories. You'll want to click on productivity. This area is specially designed to help you enhance your workflow and time management. With a plethora of templates designed to fit a myriad of task management needs, productivity templates can give you a head start by providing structured boards. The next step is selecting a task management template that suits your needs best. Think about your workflow and select one that aligns with how you prefer to organize tasks. Whether you're managing a small team or simply organizing your daily to-dos, there's a template that can fit the bill. Once you've found your ideal template, select it and watch as it gets added to your workspace. Now all that's left is personalizing your new board. Customize it by adding tasks, setting deadlines, and creating labels that help you prioritize your tasks effectively. You can add lists for different stages of work or categories, drag and drop task cards for easy organization, and even collaborate with team members in real time. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a task management system in Trello. With Trello's intuitive interface and powerful templates, managing tasks becomes more streamlined and efficient. Happy organizing, and make sure to explore more features as you become familiar with the platform.